In this video, I'll show you how to split first and last names into multiple columns in Excel. Sometimes you receive data where entries are squashed together in cells, which makes analysing them more difficult. In our case, we have the names in column C and would like to sort the last names in alphabetical order. However, this isn't possible as the first and last names are in the same cells. To overcome this, we can use the text to columns method. To start, we'll insert one column after the name column, which is where we'll want the last names to be placed. Next, let's select the cells containing the names, click the Data tab, and then click Text to Columns. This brings up the Text to Columns wizard. There are two options we can select: delimited and fixed width. Delimited allows us to separate the text by commas, tabs, or in our case a space, while fixed would mean separating every 4 characters, for example. In our case, there's a space separating the first and last name, so we select delimited and click next. Now let's untick tab and instead select space. As you can see, you also have other options which are useful if your text is separated by commas or semicolons, or alternatively you can select other if you want to use your own delimiter. We can keep the format of the data as the default setting and click Finish. Finally, click OK. Therefore, Excel has separated the full names into the first name in column D and the last name in column E, recognizing the space as the delimiter. So that's how you can separate first and last names into 2 columns in Excel. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.